Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring Pocoyo and Nina. Let's start drawing. First I draw Pocoyo, starting with his eyes like this. Then I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. I continue with his hat. Next to him, I draw Nina, starting with her face like this. I draw her hair, then I draw her cute eyes. Her nose and her smiling mouth. Then I draw Nina's hat. I continue to draw their bodies, starting with their arms. Then I draw Pocoyo's legs. And draw Nina's legs like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's color together. First I use red to paint this part. Then I use sky blue to paint Pocoyo's hat. And color his suit sky blue too. I color Nina's hair orange. For her hat, I use this green marker. I also use this color to paint her suit. Finally, I color their skin cream. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!